There. We have some improvements. Got a little microphone stand, so that's gonna keep the stuff elevated. Oh, we still got random noisy bullshit. Whoops. I have a light. It's a little bit in the way, so maybe I should make it not in the way. Yeah, dingus. Okay, cool. What else? Well, I think it's gonna be fine. Let me double check. We're monitoring. Yeah, so we got a lot more light in here now, which I think is gonna contribute to having a better picture and better frames and no ghosting. So that's pretty good. Okay, so right, what are we gonna? I'm gonna write today. Let's see if we can adjust the camera. Make sure that I can actually, or you guys can actually see everything that I see. Let's see. As long as you don't see my nose, I think we'll be in the clear. Okay, cool. Empty project. Right. Oh yeah, I got the mini log came in. I've already had a moment playing around with it. Really cool sounding synth. It sounds like it has some character that the monologue, well, doesn't quite share. So that's kind of interesting. Right, okay. Let me actually double check that my voice isn't clipping, so let's see here. 1 2 1 2. Oh, okay. Nice. Oh wow, this is like a super directional mic. So it's like if I'm not directly talking into it, it's really not picking up my voice that well. Okay, all right. Well, anyways, let's get some of this stuff rolling. Create new clip. Okay, will I be able to write anything chill now that I have the mini log in place that is capable of doing 4-voice polyphony? Or, is the hardware really not going to define how well you write music? No, I refuse to recognize that. Okay. Alright, enough with the random bullshit. Let's see here. So we're gonna... what is this? So... back in the matrix, let's actually delete this stuff. Boop, boop. Okay. Let's make a new drum track. Put a clip in here. Make it 4 bars. And here we have our notes. I like how it randomizes the colors. I don't think I get blue for the drums on the first try very often. That's kind of interesting. Okay. So, let's load up sample, kick. Okay, so we don't have audio, but then again, if I do auto, there we go. Sure, let's do this one. Okay. Let's do a clap. Let's do a short. I think I can turn it into a short one. If we do sample edit on the pad, and oh yes, and we go macros. We set the knobs to follow whatever's on the screen. Okay, sample edit. There we go. So we can adjust the end. Okay, what about the release? Can we do that? Maybe not on this one. If we do shift mixer, we might actually be able to, there we go, add like a little piece of reverb. Air, not air, no, air does the stereo stuff. Reverb medium. Okay, so let's do decay. Okay, maybe not. Okay, well, you see, now that reverb is making it long. So we can actually trash this. Nice. Cool, alright. Let's launch it, get into the clip, record. If I were in the notes, I'd be able to do that. If I were playing the correct sample. Still not recording because I didn't arm it. What's with me? Can't freaking get the track to be armed. Okay, let's try this. Okay, we'll get some bullshit going on here. Let's adjust it. Okay. Let's see, what are we gonna write? So I need to fix up this freaking head-mounted thing. Ooh, it's like sliding off my face. Too much hair. You know, I'm gonna leave the job of delays to the sequencer. So let's record this maybe. So you know, we're gonna back out and we're gonna discard. As a matter of fact, there we go. So now it actually ends on a note. Okay. Oh, damn it. It just assigned it over my hi-hat. Okay, so we undid that. Man, I'm always splitting between whether or not I save the sample as a pad and trigger it as a pad, or whether or not I save it as a, well, as a sample to play it on an audio track. So if I do, let's see, go to that clip, and then we have it saved. Also, what I did here is I played a note right before I pressed record in an attempt to synchronize it. I see that it doesn't want to follow the timeline in this particular view. It's a little weird. Okay, can we just like go over here? All right, let's okay, if I just fix up the length of this clip, I think we should be good. Kind of want to plug in that one. Also, I don't think that I recorded that right. Let's try that again. So we're gonna stop this clip right here, and then we're gonna go back to sampler. It's got that whole thing where if you go into the mixer, you have to go all the way to the left to see the matrix again. There we go. Now we can stop it. There we go. Okay. Okay, see, this is where I think that it should be a part of the pad, because if it's a part of the pad, I can have a version of this with and then without reverb. But if it's just this clip, then I'd have to automate the sand, and I have not learned how to do automation in here yet, or I don't even know if you can. I'm pretty sure you can, but at this point it's actually easier if I do this. If I go to the matrix, we can't navigate. There we go. Yeah, so you see we can't. I'm pretty sure that's a bug. We can't navigate that way. All right, so what if we do shift matrix? Does that do anything? Oh, that's for like Ableton. No, screw that. No. Just get back to reality, please and thank you. Okay, so we're gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete the track. Instead, we're gonna do a drum track. Create a clip. It's gonna be 4 bars for now, sure. And then into the very first pad, we're gonna load up the clip. That's right. So samples. This is chord. Okay, except I want my chord. Internal chord pad, there we go, except I want this one. Alright, now, right now it's going to be messed up because I need to actually redo the sample edit on this pad. Okay, we have to start somewhere around here. I know that the last one is good. Okay, let's launch. Okay, here we go. Let's get back to the clip. Record. Okay, let's see. Armed, yes. Do we need to... Yeah, so you see, we need to have it... Although, it did record something, didn't it? Well, maybe not. Yeah, it didn't. So I have to actually launch it to record to it, which is kind of dumb. Okay, so that's recorded. We can take the clip, make it just 2 bars long so I can work around with it. Okay. So I can play around with the beginning of the sample. Alright, so that means now, if I get back here, we can actually do the sends just like I wanted to. Okay, so now I can copy this pad into this pad. So they're both running the same sample, except the only difference is that now I can go into this one and turn off. I want this sample and turn off the reverb here. Maybe turn off the delay. So check this out now. We'll go back to, undo that. Man, thankfully they implemented the undo button. That is mighty useful. Okay, so we're going to trigger this, and then we're going to trigger this, which has more delay on it. We'll add more delay to it afterwards. Okay, so zoom out. Oh, we can just do it faster this way. Okay. Not so often. Okay, so I kind of messed that up. I thought it was going to sound good, but not really. I'm going to grab that, delete both of this. Okay, set the track. Okay. Sampler. Oh, I'm messing around with the wrong filter, wrong envelope. I feel like I should probably put in the monologue maybe over there or up here so I can do two sounds at once. They would look nice next to each other, except for, you know, this freaking garbage sticker stuff from the store. It's a used unit. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so we got two samples there. This is chord stab. Let's do that. Oh, okay, cool. So now that we have a second drum machine, we just assign it. This is a 0, 1. Let's do this. Hey, look, it even selects the path. Cool. All right, so that's fine. We're gonna save it. So I want to save the local file. I should really plug in a SD card here. Definitely should do that. Okay. So that's it. That's it. Now we have two samples here. We have, yeah, that and that. So we'll copy this in here. Work with this one first. Okay. We gotta work here. So when we go to the second one, there we go. We're going to start right here. Okay. And quickly pop in here. Oh yeah, that's right. The end, I have to make sure that on this one. Oh. Yeah, we gotta make sure it doesn't play the end sample. There we go. Let's take a look. Okay, maybe that particular pattern can be recorded, but I think I gotta do it as a MIDI track. So, MIDI output goes to force, notes. I'm gonna switch it to piano. Cool. Let's create a clip. Let's make it 4 bars. Sure. Let's launch it. Click record. Arm it for recording. Notes. Damn it. I fucked it up. Did I? No, it didn't record it. Yeah, let's record 2 clips here. So we're going to go sampler. Yeah, I thought I was going to keep it nice and neat, but no, apparently couldn't do that. So I'm going to save it to the drum on the note of, I guess we'll save it here. And we'll, okay, this is bass, bass, kick, no, bass, saw, raw. We're gonna save it, and then we're gonna keep it. Yes. We'll have to edit it though. And, oh, well that's not right. Well, that should have appeared here. And yet it didn't. What? Okay. Yeah, there's nothing here. Or maybe I didn't load it. Or, you know what? It's right here, but I know where it is. It's in the first drum machine. It's right here. Yep. Yep, okay, so we're gonna pop in here. click on sample edit, and we'll trash it. Ooh, no, I don't want to delete the sample. I want to clear the pad. I guess I could set it to none. Let's zoom in. Okay, cool, but I still need to record. Okay, let's do that. Sampler. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to save it and only wanted to record 4 bars. Okay, cool. So we're gonna go channel 2 notes. We want to put it into this pad right here. Cool. And we're gonna save it. This is base. This is it again. Base. What did I call it? Base saw 2. I'm gonna save it and we're gonna keep it. Oh. Well, guess what? It's not really all that sounding different. What the hell did I just say? What? Okay. Let's try that again. You know what? If I actually rename it, it has the exact same name as the other sample, we'll just replace it. So let's try that. No, I don't want to do that. Oh, no, I didn't want to keep that, for crying out loud. Undo. Okay. I didn't want to stop that early. And I didn't want to keep it. For crying out loud. Can't do this right. Okay, well. Okay, let's try that. A little bit quieter. Okay, so I should be able to rename it base saw 2. And it'll be like, yo man, there's already a file like that here. Well, I know, I want to overwrite it. Overwrite, nice. And now it's going to go to drum 2 onto this. There we go. So now we'll go to the pad. We set the start. That's what happens when you launch both of them at the same time. Do some fun stuff like that. Okay. If I launch that correctly, though. Oh, right, it's playing this track. I need to stop that. Cool. Okay, let's get into the matrix, because I think I've undone some stuff that I shouldn't have undone. Let's go into here. Okay. I haven't used that actually. Okay, let's add some ducking to the bass lines. So we're gonna go to this channel, shift mixer, and this guy's gonna get let's see, dynamics, mother ducker. No, that's mother ducker input. That's what that's supposed to be. Trash that. Yeah, that's the input. Nice. And then we'll go to channel 3 or 2, I guess. Okay. So we get these two guys. Now, realistically, I should send these filter by sample, filter by events, write automation when recording. Cool. Okay, so I think instead of the track, we should send this to sub 1. Because sub 1 is a submix, which means we can find them probably not here. No, this is like the entire keyboard. Yeah, so I'm not going to find it here. I'm only going to find it come on. Yeah, okay. So we're going to find it in the main mixer, in the submixes. Right here. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's it. So, because I send both of those bass lines into the submix, they're going to show up here. could just like sample it. To be honest, this is actually probably the best approach I can do this with. So I would sample it. Let's set it to like a nice long time. Looks like 2 minutes recording is the longest we can do. Okay, fair enough. Also, it's only supposed to be recording input 1. Okay, there we go. So, chord bullshit. There we go. And okay, so I'm gonna send it to track 2 note whatever note 16 levels, but no, this one. Okay, we're gonna save it. That's a big sample. I'm gonna run out of space. Okay, and then we're gonna keep it. It's this one. Keep. Cool. All right. So now, oh god, we gotta slice this sucker up. Okay. Okay. Well, I know the last sample is a pretty good one. So, and we're gonna copy this to this pad. Oh, it doesn't want to copy it. Might have to be in the clip for that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I guess. We're gonna work it backwards. So, zoom in. Actually, there's quite a lot of stab there left. Okay, and then we go back to the clip, copy that, pad. Okay, so can we move the whole loop or not? Does it seem like we can? Wait, loop lock. No? Okay, so can't move the loop. Alright, fine, whatever. Just move back here. There we go. Fair enough. seems to be a good start. Okay, this should be fairly straightforward. What the fuck was I writing here? What the fuck is this? God damn it, man. See, that's kind of what I want to do. But what the hell? Okay. Let's put it into this. Yeah, this bed right here. Fuck it. Let's just keep it. Not save it. We have to be able to add it to like a mute group. Regions, pads. I think I've also figured that out too. But if gotta help me if I can remember how to do it. Let's see, we got the clip. So we got yeah, okay, whatever. So alright, fine, whatever. Oh. Gotta do it on the pad level. Yeah, I gotta do it on the pad level, not on the sample level. Okay. And then we go. cool. Except, it would be great if we could have, whatchamacallit. I'm gonna look this up, see if I can figure it out. Mute groups on Akai Force is what we're looking for. There's NPCX, NPC1, and NPC Live. Well, yeah, cool. I know that much. Not what I'm looking for, though. NPC Renaissance. No. It's running the same software. Should be called the same. Okay, well. Snap loop to all. One shot process convert clear slice. Not what I want. Pad mixer looper grid. Track edit. Oh, there we go. That's it. Holy crap, it's here. Okay, so that's exactly the same thing as on the NPC Live. So yeah, we're good. We can just set up the mute group 1. Okay, that's just... Okay, super cool. It's exactly like it is on the NPC Live. I'm pretty sure this is what I was supposed to do. Okay, we're gonna have to clear this. Delete that, duplicate. Little distorted. Problem is the root node changes here. Okay, so what we did here is we changed the tempo. Now this means that every single recorded sample is now out of beat, which means what I need to do is I need to get into the samples and start messing with the timing. So there is an ability to stretch the sample. So if we do from BPN, okay, edit tuning. No, not tuning. Okay, let's do that first. Okay. Right. So we don't want to chop. We want to sync. We have sample edit. Oh, it's in the clip, isn't it? Whoops, not that clip, an audio clip. What do I want with that? Okay. So let's see. The original was 124. Cue play mode, one shot. Timeline unit, samples, beats, auto scroll. Okay, we can just do that. But that's irrelevant. Link slices, slice loop. Yeah, this is tuning. We don't really want that. So, the only thing we can do is use an audio clip for this. See, that's why this becomes a problem, using this particular method. Okay. We can assign the sample, we can process it. Okay. Extract. So let's do loop bass saw 1. Do it. Okay. And we're gonna extract. Okay. Then we're gonna go in here, we're gonna stop both of these, get into the matrix, add an audio track, and in this clip we're gonna have to load up loop bass saw 1. So you see here we have the ability to warp it. So if we do this, warp, it also means that I need to resend it to submix 1. So that's the problem. We have to be absolutely sure. There's no track edit on this for audio tracks. Okay, can we do layers here? It would be great if we did. Arrange arranger. No, this is for like song mode. Can automate the volume. Clear, paste, yeah, so I don't think there's stacking. Trim, clear, flatten. Ooh, we can flatten, but what does flatten mean? Does it mean flatten multiple clips? In which case it does allow us to have multiple clips. Okay, so sure, whatever. Let's get back to the sample of track 2. Now we gotta do this sample. Okay, so we can do process, extract. This is base saw 2. Do it. We're gonna do it. Okay, cool. So that means we gotta go back to the matrix, add another audio track. See how many, like how quickly we're using up all these tracks. Kind of miffed about it. Okay, we're gonna pop into clip. This is gonna be loop bass saw 2. Wait, what? Oh, I guess I didn't really have to extract it now, did I? Okay, let me try clear. Let's see. Okay, let me try that again. Clip in here. So yes. See, that's what I forgot to do. Forgot to add the word loop. The word loop in the beginning. Okay, so we'll warp it, and the original BPM was 128. Actually, maybe it wasn't. Because that doesn't sound like it's quite on the spot there. Clip. So if we go back here. Okay, get back to the clip. So it's 128.04. Oh yeah, I think I might have... No, I don't. What? Wow, that's weird. Okay. Although, you know what that might be? I think I might have cropped the sample incorrectly. So if that's the case, let's just work with the original. Yeah, there we go. So we're gonna take the clip, loop start. Oh, nice. Excuse me? Is that synchronized? Oh, no, it's not. It's just the sample being played directly because I launched the wrong track. Yeah, so you see, we can't really do much. We really got to record it correctly in the first place. So, man, this sucks. Hold on. What kind of operations can we perform on this? Queue process. Okay. So what do we got? Discard, delete, silence, extract, fade out, pitch shift, time stretch. Can't use it for some reason. Okay. Interesting. Maybe the sample is too long. Oh, there we go. We'll get it to the original sample. Time stretch. So, original tempo 128. New tempo 120. Do it. Processing, okay. Okay, let's stop launching stuff that we don't need to launch. As a matter of fact, okay, so that's a problem. When I was messing around with the sample, it ended up cropping the sample, overriding it. Damn it. Why are there 3 samples? Just overwrite the one that's already there. So in the end, I had to turn the synth into a mono synth. 6, man. So I had to turn it into a mono synth to be able to play that without hitting extra notes by accident. Okay, but here's the thing. I still have to record that. So I still have to make a MIDI track. I still have to, like, launch it. Still have to switch to it. And we're gonna have to do shift octave down. One more time. Okay, set it to 8 bars. We're gonna arm it for recording, yes. Okay, so a couple of mistakes. Okay, so that works. We can load it into... Well, actually, we're not going to be loading it into anything, because this is more... Let's call it CBAS base. Okay, do it, save it, save it. Okay, and we're just going to load it up into an audio track. So perhaps instead of one of these garbage. Okay, maybe not that one. Actually, I can't use these because one of them is fucked up and one of them is out of time. So we're gonna have to delete. There we go. Create new clip. Get into the clip. Load up. Did I say we're gonna keep it? God damn it. Okay. Crying out loud. Okay, it's looking for a sample that isn't here because I didn't load it. So I need to go internal. There we go. We need to load it. Just like that. And now we'll go back to clip. What the hell is this? Yeah, there we go. Okay. So this is where we need to set up the starting point. It's kind of weird that it's still looking for a sample, even though it's right here. Loop start. Okay, I need to make another version of the return, except this time with a very short reverb. There we go. And then get back to this place. Fuck was that? What? what? For the first piece, I think I can add a second clip here. Copy, paste, and then add the addition of this guy. So we'll arm for recording. We'll make sure that's launched. with the start time. That actually sounds really cool. All I have to do is offset the time a little bit. Okay, so what I'm thinking is add a secondary base. Should be based on what I've made here. Okay, let's record that. Alright, so we do have to save it. We do have to keep it. So this is mid base. Okay. And then we're going to keep it so that we can go to this guy, create a clip, and then load into this clip the mid base. Good. Okay, cool. So then we have to set the start. Okay, it doesn't quite line up. That sounds weird. It might not be lining up because okay, this is set to 8 bars. What about this clip? 2, that's why. So this is going to be 8 to line it up. And we don't need to play the MIDI stuff. fuck is this? Cool. Okay, to hell with you. I think those are duplicates because of the... I think it's because of the projects. Okay. forgot that because there's a MIDI channel going into the mini log, it's actually reading the same clock. So the arpeggiator is synchronized. Okay, well, I think that's it for today. I've come up with everything I think I'm gonna come up with today. All right.